Pack with me for a cozy winter trip up in the snow. We are starting at the Ritz-Carlton, Lake Tahoe, and then moving to a dreamy cabin with a fireplace in it up in the woods. So we need to pack a lot of sweaters and some really warm clothes. Also, for this trip, we planned on going outside a little bit, but we didn't plan on being outside a ton because I knew it was going to be freezing and I was a little bit afraid of the cold. I just wanted to sit by the fireplace and enjoy the vibes of being up in the mountains. And just like that, we're packed and ready to go to Tahoe. My suitcase looks so aesthetic. We got all of our jackets. I like to put these first to make sure we have plenty of room. And I actually left the puffer out. I'm going to be wearing that one day of. And then I just laid my little blankie that I'm going to bring over it. Then I started packing everything else on the other side of the suitcase. Now we have jackets on one side, and then here is all the pants, pajamas, undershirts, long sleeves. So we have all the jackets on one side. And then we have pants, pajamas, undershirts, and long sleeves. This was a 4-day trip, and I definitely did not end up wearing all of this, so I would cut back just a little bit. Platform slippers and regular slippers are gonna go here, and then I'm leaving the Uggs out. We've strapped all that in and closed that off, and now we're gonna do toiletries and hair products and underwear, socks, all of that kind of fun stuff. If I would have known, I would not have brought the Dyson, and I would have just brought my straightener because both of our rooms had hair dryers, and then the Dyson did not work in the cabin or at the Ritz-Carlton. So that's pretty much it. I have a few other items to throw in there, but we have the Dyson. It does take up quite a bit of room, but it's necessary. Skincare products, perfume, socks. I'm gonna throw a beanie in there and then some chargers. Don't forget a loofah and a razor. We're gonna start with jackets. So I'm bringing hoodies in like a cream white, gray, a beige tan color, black. And then these are jackets. So I can layer, like I can put a hoodie and then put an overcoat over it. What I think I'll wear the most is this black puffer because this keeps me so warm when it's freezing outside. And then I have a jean jacket option. I love this tan one. It's super cozy. And then I just wear this all the time. And then we have shoes option. The thing that I'm gonna be wearing the most is my Uggs. We're not really doing a lot of walking. I have these super furry, cute sandals that I can just throw on like in the hotel. Of course, my slippers too. And then these are like, I'm in love with these. Look at these slippers. And I can just throw these on with some like really warm long socks. There was one time where I wish I would have brought tennis shoes, but overall what I brought was perfect for just being at the fireplace and around the hotel. It was so cozy. I highly recommend bringing some snow boots or like rubber boots, something that's not going to get wet in the snow. These are more long sleeves to go under the hoodies that I can layer with a long sleeve, a hoodie, and then a jacket over it. And then we have this, is so cute. I don't know how I'm gonna layer it up, but I'm gonna figure out a way to layer it so I can stay warm. And just like the faux fur look in the snow, I just at least have to get a picture in this. I think it's so cute. These are little undershirts just in case to go all the way underneath and so that if I need to, I can de-layer. My favorite cozy pajamas. The brand is Laura Ashley. I highly recommend these, especially I'm 30 weeks pregnant right now and this is like the most comfortable thing I own. We're bringing some super warm socks because who is gonna wear platform slippers without super warm knee-high socks? Some regular socks, and then some sports bras. For pants, we're bringing these super cozy burgundy pants, and then we have 3 pairs of leggings right here. These are like more of a bell bottom, and then the Under Armour pants. We're bringing 2 pairs of sunglasses, Definitely need two in case one goes missing or breaks. AirPods, I just got this vlog screen, so I'm gonna have to figure this one out. My tripod, my light, and then my mirror phone case. Chargers for the tripod and also phone charger. I'm bringing this marble white blanket, this fuzzy blanket too, so that I can just throw this over myself if I get cold. Definitely need the Dyson. We're bringing the main Dyson here, the small curling iron attachment, and then I love this one when I'm drying my hair, the brush, so we're bringing that too. Lesson learned, the Dyson does not work in remote places. Deodorant, brush, toothbrush, toothpaste. I love this little velvet green case for traveling with jewelry, and then perfume. My everyday skincare items. It feels so good to be in a cabin in the woods and still be able to put on your fancy perfume and do all of your skincare. It's like the best feeling ever. Non-negotiables, Neutrogena Hydro Boost on the face, and then buttering up that belly with raw shea butter. So far, even with a belly like this, hyaluronic acid and shea butter has been the best, and I don't have any stretch marks. I am absolutely obsessed with these platform slippers that I just got on Amazon. I am such a slipper girly, and what I love about these is they're not too long right here. It's like the perfect length. They're super soft and furry. They have a little bit of grip on the back. Aren't these just the cutest ever? Like, tell me you're not obsessed. I cannot wait to wear these in Tahoe. Then we have these. They're so cute, little fur slides. And I love that they have like a rubber bottom so you can wear them outside without them getting ruined. They're casual, but also will like elevate any outfit. Yeah, it's safe to say I'm obsessed. Highly recommend taking a winter trip like this if you haven't experienced it, but make sure you have four-wheel drive. And Lake Tahoe is absolutely gorgeous, but it was windy and so cold. Still, I took way too many jackets, so I would definitely cut back by about half of the amount of jackets that I brought. And then I would have brought some kind of waterproof boot because my Uggs did get a little wet, which I was kind of sad about. And bring tennis shoes if you want to go in the gym because I totally forgot about that. And I was literally like working out in my slides. We were out in the snow a little bit, but mostly we just like enjoyed the view from inside and watched the snow fall and sat by the fireplace. And it was so cozy and warm and such a vibe. Highly recommend s'mores too because what is a mountain resort lodge style cabin up in the woods trip without s'mores? And cinnamon rolls, of course.